talk about different types of cleaning business. We all know about commercial cleaning. We know about the residential cleaning, the upholstery cleaning, the window cleaning, and all that. But I want to tell you, I'm a business coach. I'm engineer Dr. Pumpkin, and I want to tell you how I've been building different businesses for people when it comes to cleaning. This is laundromat, and laundromat is just two combination of words: the laundry and the automat. Now, it's a simple way to work those things, and if you want to start up, it's not necessary to go into commercial cleaning or residential cleaning. But let me show you what you do. This is a laundromat. You don't even need to be there, and your money is working for you. Then you work with your structure. With structure, you don't need to do anything. Just do your business the way you want to be. Nobody's going to steal your business. But let's go. Let me show you this. You are here today. This is it. A simple way to do it, and while your money is working for you, and the owner will be at home working. You slot it in. When you slot it in, you wait for the command. When the command comes, you press complete. So you have your balance there, and you can now remove your card. When you remove your card, the next thing you do is the clothes you want to work on. Come to any of the washing machine. Let's do this. Now we have this. Now press the one you want. If you want it in high temperature, just step it in, open it, throw the cloth in, and you press start. It's rolling. So laundry business is very lucrative. Set up different business when it comes to cleaning business. Cleaning business is something you have different types of things that you can do with cleaning business. This is some people, this is kind of business that you can do. One, nobody can steal your money. Your money goes straight into your account. You have less staffs. We're talking about AI, artificial intelligence is working for us. Those things are what you need to work about. And you can see I've been doing this all around, training people how to set up their cleaning business. A cleaning business, you can take it from Nigeria down to America, that is from Africa to America to United Kingdom to Europe. I tell people to go for training. When you train yourself, you understand what you know, understand your onions, when you know what you're doing for. Not necessarily because you say in quotes, cleaning is not necessarily you do commercial cleaning or you do residential cleaning. Know what you're doing and let it save people. Please, cleaning has different varieties, but by the time you know your niche, you know the business you want to do. It's lucrative, it's working for me, and I know what I get from cleaning, and I love it. I know I got business for 15 good years, but I left and I become my own CEO. I'm a trainer, I'm a coach. That is why they call me the cleaners coach, the 8-figure cleaner coach, because monthly I know what comes in. So if you want to have your cleaning business, if you want to set up your cleaning business, you can call on me. I will always visit us on our website www.pcv.com.ng, or you go to our Facebook, or you go to our Instagram handle. How you can take your business from Africa to American to UK to Europe. Now, what you need to do now, you need to understand the business itself. Business is something we do and everybody understands. Thank you for today. I will give you another tip about cleaning business. Cleaning business is not only about sweeping, about using soap mop, but you can do other business while you be at home, and the owner of this business is in his house, but watching everything that is going on here. So thank you and have a blessed day.